Would you like to have money for the whole month? Try this. How to have money all month is something that everyone wants to know, to make the money reach for our expenses and that we about to be able to buy gifts. Either for us or for our loved ones. Small gratifications that make us happy and happy. This is a simple spell on how to have money all month, not to become a millionaire much less. Simply so that the money stop being that daily problem that we worry so many times and consume the best of our energies, spending the days busy with the mind and that problem without being able to enjoy many times the rest of beautiful and wonderful things that life offers us. To start this simple trick on how to have money all month, the first thing is to put together the two elements that you will need. 1. A crystal glass. 2. Fill the half glass with olive oil and pour 5 grains of black pepper. Ritual to get money. 1. On the first Sunday of each month you will fill the glass with half the oil and add 5 grains of black pepper, allowing it to sit for at least an hour. 2. After this time, you will proceed to wash your hands with this preparation while you say this prayer. Olive oil is protective and will help me make my money multiply and never lack in my home. 3. In order for this spell to work well, and you get all the money you need, it is essential that you do not dry your hands with anything, just drain them and let the air dry them, naturally. 4. Then you use the same glass, add another 5 grains of black pepper and leave it in a corner of your house all day and all night, so that it absorbs the bad energies, and then throw it by the toilet or water of your house. 5. With this simple spell, remember to do it every first Sunday of each new month. You will see that money begins to flow in another way, which not only reaches you, but increases in the amount you need.